why you should have a YouTube channel. Why should I have a YouTube channel? Why should we have a YouTube channel? So in this video, I'm going to be showing you the reason why you should have a YouTube channel. And having a YouTube channel can open a lot of space for you. But in this video, we are going to be discussing 3 reasons why you should have a YouTube channel. Number 1, your voice is more important than you think. Your voice is more important than you think. 2, YouTube build community. YouTube build community. 3, number 3 is you might need only YouTube to succeed. You might need only YouTube to succeed. So I'm going to be explaining everything in details. So your voice is more important than you may think, in such a way that day in and day out, everybody go through a lot of problems, or everybody go through problems, or somebody may be feeling lonely somewhere. But when you share your experience, or when you share how you feel on YouTube, people are going to discover it, and people are going to watch it, and they are going to feel relatable. They are going to feel like they are going to relate it to their own, to see that, oh, I'm not the only one feeling the same way. I'm not the only one feeling this way. There's also other people all over the world who are also feeling the same way as I also felt. So it's going to open a connection between you and the viewers who view your videos, to signify that, oh, like what they are experiencing, somebody have already experienced it, or somebody is also like experiencing the same thing that they are experiencing. And more to the point, if you also share like you have learned something and you share it, or you know something and you share it on YouTube, then people are going to like also learn from you and also implement it. And that means your voice alone can help a lot of people. Like just voicing it out once and uploading it to YouTube, you are going to help a bunch of people. So having a YouTube channel is a great way to educate people about yourself, and also like teach people about things that you know. Secondly, YouTube build community. YouTube build community in such a way that as far as you now share your values, or you share like the things that you learn or your feelings with the people that are viewing your videos, then there is going to be a connection between you and that particular person, and that particular people are going to feel like, oh, they will just going to feel like, oh, that's the same. It's like you, that's their relatives. They are going to feel like, oh, that's their relative, that's their friend. So, and they are going to follow you or subscribe to your channel, and you are going to be sharing the same value on YouTube. And more to the point, let's say for instance, if you are an artist, and you now like you tell people that, oh, you are an artist and you do this kind of things, you can be like you can have a collaboration with another artist. And if you are not on YouTube, nobody will know who you are. And creating that link is going to like open your floor, or it's going to open another window for you to like to discover another part of the world, and also learn from other culture. And people are going to feel like without you they are out, or without you there is absence of something. It's just like they are going to see you to be like their family member, and that connection is going to be there. And anytime that they didn't hear from you, like they are going to feel down, so they need to always check on you. So YouTube build community. And from there we now move on to where we are having, it may be the only thing that you need in your life. How is it possible? Let's break it down. People use YouTube as a tool to grow their business, or people use YouTube as a tool to make money. So I know people like different. We have different group of people. We have different type of people who come into the online space purposely for different things. But let's say you are having a YouTube channel and you are having a business. Then you are going to tell people what you are doing, educate people about what you are doing, and if somebody like if people develop interest in it, then you are going to attract a business partners So people are like who are interested in your business will be willing to invest in your business. So that's the part that I would say that is the only thing that you need. And more to the point, like uploading videos to YouTube or teaching people about things that you know on YouTube, YouTube is going to be paying you for that. YouTube is going to be paying you for your service for uploading it to YouTube. And there's a lot of potentials when you are on YouTube. There's a lot of potentials when you're on YouTube. And more to the point, like as we talk about connection and everything, people are going to like be aware of your business or be aware of you, how you live your life and everything. And like day in and day out, you're going to be seeing DMs like for people show you the love that they have for you, and without you, how they feel without you, and the connection is going to be there forever. So coming into the YouTube space is a great way to discover who you are. And more to the point, people need to voice their, people are having businesses and they want to voice it out. So you can be a medium where people will now they'll pay you through and you voice out their business to your audience, or those who are watching you, you voice out your business to them. Their business to them. Let's say a Coca-Cola company, like they want to advertise their product to more people. Actually, they are popular, but they want to advertise it more that they can get discovered. And you are having a lot of followers, so Coca-Cola can pay you some amount for you to just mention their product in your video, or for you to just use their product in your video to signify that, oh, these are the things that you use in your daily life, so that they can also use the same product in their lives. So there is a lot of potential when you are on YouTube. So leaving out YouTube and doing other things offline, maybe you may be lacking something, or you may be leaving something on the table. So take this as an opportunity to also use YouTube to your advantage. And if this video helped you, I just want you to just put a comment in this video. Just put a comment to say thank you, or just say hi in the comment section. And if you are also having any question, or if you feel like maybe some part of it is not on your side, just feel free to comment in the comment section where you didn't agree with me. And I think we are all here to share the same values. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.